Everyone, it's the day of the traditional wedding, and my makeup, can't see it as much as this lighting, but this is my dress, and oh my god, these nails at least they match with my dress. Last time I wore traditional, it didn't. Yeah, it's cute, look at all the detailing. Wow, so pretty. Okay, yeah, real cute, real nice. Order some room service, about to finish it. Yeah. Okay, I just finished doing my makeup for the wedding today. So I was about to get my gele tied and I had to switch outfits because I needed to wear something that was easy to take off. So yeah.
Shawty, I'm always keep it real. I know they bought too much wine, they bought too much wine. I see they be, I see show you they enter. Oh yeah, make you call up me. Oh yeah, show yourself to go back to nobody pass for baby, not sweet for cold.
Hi, so this is the 1st of Jan. Well, I've already put it there, but anyways, it's New Year's Day and it's also my uncle's birthday. So on the way to my uncle's birthday party. This is my other uncle and auntie's house. I've never been here before, but it's really, really pretty and it's like massive, and that was a nice view. This is the next day. I did not know my dad was building a bungalow, so yeah, I went to visit it and it's really nice and I can't wait to see the finishing results. This is the 3rd of Jan. This is so rushed, my bad. I didn't get a lot of video content, but yeah, road trip all the way to Lagos. Boy, I was tired my days, but you know, it's nice, you know, seeing the scenery and that when I was awake. Yeah. So this is me back from my hair appointment. Yeah. I got French tip nails, French curl braids, French tip toes. Like, it was just like French everything that day. But yeah, here's a nail check. I really like them. I got Dior on both of my ring fingers, I think. Yeah. This is me doing my makeup because I was going out later with my friend and I was running late. Loki. I mean, oh, actually no, I wasn't running late, but I thought I was running late. Anyways, yeah, that's me. Still stuck in traffic, sorta. That's another nail check. Yeah. Here's me with my hair, so beautiful, so pretty. I felt like a Barbie, still feel like a Barbie. I dressed like an old lady that day, mainly because I did not know what to wear. Anyways, that's me and my Betty outfit. She's ready to go out, looking so beautiful. Look at that hair, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous.
Bitch, rockin' a black bandana. I'm jumping out East Atlanta. Pop my shit, don't need no cameras. Got money, I look like a scam. My wrist.
Nah, I bleed for the God since my child years. I don't need it aside.
There's so many conversations.
You don't need to try.
There's so many conversations.
I'm not your enemy. And I don't really
There's so many conversations. There's so many conversations. There's so many conversations. There's so many conversations.
I'm not your enemy.
Give us a dance, Bobby.
Sightseeing, you might be in the quadruport. Or the nigga might be in the family with a gorgeous face. This mess that she transferred to Florida State. Kicking like home back for financial aid. I held her down, she had problems with financial aid. Meantime, my finance is straight. Open up the door to the financial state. She used to fight with her mom till I set them both down. Now she tight with her mom. Yeah, I put the ice on her arm. Now she loves she getting sliced, spending nights in Milan. We still blow weed together. Cheated on her, but we still gon' be together. With the house on the water, hit the beach and now she from the north and still can't believe it.